Yes, children, before we proceed further, these questions I want to explain once again. Uh, First question, calculate the mass of one atom of sodium. So, mass is the same atomic mass you have to write, that is 23. For the second question, if you see, they are asking you what will be the number of calcium atom in 0.4 atomic mass unit of calcium. So here they are asking you what is the number of calcium. Okay, so you have to relate this with the Avogadro's number, where you say that the 1 mole of the calcium is going to contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 that many atoms, right? So if 1 mole of the calcium is containing that many 6.022 10 power 23, okay, therefore you write it in full. So 1 mole of calcium has these many atoms, fine. So what will be the number of atoms in 0.4 atomic mass unit? Okay, so now we have to relate this. 1 mole of calcium means what? Calcium has atomic mass of 40 U. We can write 40 U or 40 grams. So 1 mole can be written as 40. So 40 U of calcium has Avogadro's number, okay, 6.022 10 power 23. Therefore, 0.4 is going to contain how many? So it will be 6.022 10 power 23 divided by 40 multiplied by 0.4. Okay, so this is how you have to do the calculation and you will get the answer. Okay, once again let me write it in full so that you understand. What you have to do here is, it will be in 40 U is nothing but is equal to 1 mole of calcium. Okay, it is nothing but 1 mole of calcium, which will contain 6.022 into 10 power 23 atoms. Okay, so you have to find it for 0.4. It will be how much? So normal mathematical procedure what you follow, that is this number divided by this multiplied by 0.4. Okay, so you will get the answer. And it will be like 6.02 into 10 power 22 you should get. 21 you will be getting the answer. Okay, you can just check it what it will be. Okay, anyways, now coming to the next one, that how many atoms of oxygen are present in 120 grams of nitric acid. So nitric acid is HNO3. Okay, so what all ions are present in it? One is H plus ion and H plus ions are there. Okay, and NO3 minus ions are there. NO3 charge is -2. Okay, this is plus side. So H plus ion is there and NO3 -2 ions are there. So if we find the molecular mass of HNO3, it will come to 1 plus, what it will be? 1 plus nitrogen mass is 14 plus, for oxygen it is 16. So 16 into 3, it will come 16 into 3 48. So when you calculate, it will come to 63. Okay, so 63 grams of HNO3 contains 3 moles of oxygen. What we see here, you see this number 3 is for oxygen. So 3 moles means it will have how many atoms? It will have 3 into 6.02 into 10 power 23, right? So that many atoms will be there. So if 63 grams has these many, so in the question they are asking you for 120 grams. Okay, 120 grams, it will be how much? Do the normal mathematical procedure. For 120 gram, it will be 3 into 6.02 10 power 23 divided by 63 multiplied by 120. This is what you have to do and you will get the answer. Okay, so finally how you have to calculate? What calculation you have to do? 3 into 6.02 into 10 power 23, okay, divided by 63 multiplied by 120. Okay, for 120 gram they are asking, multiplied by 120. For 63 it is this much. So for 120 gram it will be how much? That is what you have to calculate. You get the answer. Okay, so thank you. We'll do some more questions based on the same chapter so that your concept is more clear.